Monster Love by Russell Ginns. Illustrated by Steve Mack. I love you so much. I'll give you a squeeze and a 10-year-old piece of moldy cheese. Yuck! Monster Love. I love you so much. I'll hold your hand and I'll let you sit on my garbage can. Yuck! Monster Love. I love you so much. I'll kiss your nose and spread peanut butter all over your toes. Yuck! Monster Love. I love you so much. I'll give you my hat. It's also the home of my favorite pet rat. Yuck! Monster Love. I love you so much. I'll rub your tummy and give you this arm that I stole from a mummy. Yuck! Monster Love. I love you so much. You're my best friend of all, and the one I will take to the monster ball. Hooray! Monster Love!